Welcome to Razorhost. Today we will learn how to set Razorhost Nameserver in GoDaddy domain. First, open www.godaddy.com. Sign into your GoDaddy account. After sign in, scroll down all product and click on domains. You can see your all registered domains, and now click on three dots menu. Click on Edit DNS. In DNS Management tab, click on Nameserver section. Click on Change Nameserver button. Pop-up will open, and click on I will use my own nameserver. Now enter Razorhost Nameserver, ns1.dnspark.in and ns2.dnspark.in. Nameservers also mentioned in the description. Your nameserver may be different, so please check your email for nameservers details. To confirm nameserver change, click on Continue button. Your nameserver has been updated. It's take up to 48 hours to take effect. Thank you for watching this video.